Hey guys, let's take a look at the big three again. Want to update you on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and BNB. As you can see here, I've drawn a new chart here today. I just felt like erasing everything and going back and looking again at resistances and supports and things. I did all of these resistances and supports on the daily time frame, just so you know. This trend line is drawn on the 4-hour time frame. Now, as you can see, we supposedly broke out of this basically a couple days ago. You can see that we broke through. We kind of retested it right here. I think it's close enough, but we got rejected here at this 63, 150 mark, where this resistance is drawn. Now, of course, this isn't 100% perfect, but within some dollars, it's, pretty accurate. So you can see we got rejected basically. And yeah, the big problem is basically in the last few hours, we've really been going down. Now, we did get some volatility about an hour and a half ago, because we got the PPI numbers, and PPI was much worse than expected, unfortunately. So we'll see what happens now, guys. We're still not lower than what we were this weekend, which I guess is kind of okay. I guess you can say we are kind of coming down to retest this as support, this area. So but we do need to break through this 63 150 mark. I mean, until then, nothing really is going to happen. Anyways, guys, let's take a quick look at Ethereum. Now, let me blow up this chart a little bit. And by the way, Ethereum is only down 2.4% at the moment, whereas Bitcoin is down 1.9%. And the next one I'm going to get to is BNB, and that's down 3.8%. It's really rare when you see Ethereum not down more than BNB, or, anyways, BNB tends to be a little bit more stable. I'm not sure why BNB is selling off, so much, but usually you don't see 4% pullbacks on BNB unless something major happens. Anyways, guys, Ethereum at the moment. Now, I haven't drawn any new lines for this chart, but let's see. We can do a trend line. I think this is probably about the best place to put the trend line. You can see that we did try to break out around the 6th of May, about 8 days ago or so, and we couldn't hold it. And it seems that we just keep getting rejected, there, and we're coming to a point basically where we kind of have to make a decision here. We either got to break down from this support, and that means probably your next target would be about 27, 20. But if we can break through this, I do see us reaching about 3,000, $40 again. So it's important that we break, that trend line, and it's something that has been holding us down for quite a while, several weeks, 3 weeks really, and at least 2.5 weeks. So now let's take a quick look at BNB. Yeah, BNB is dropping like a rock right now, and this is kind of strange. I'm not sure. There has to be some, news with Binance or something, but I'm not really sure why it dropped about $15 in this 4-hourly candle. So you can see us dropping. There is a support coming up around where it is right now. So that's a support right here. We'll see if it can hold that. If not, there is this trend line, this big bull flag that we've been drawing since I don't know when. It's been a couple of months. It can come down to this and bounce up. But if we lose that, that would be, pretty bad. So anyways, guys, you can see there's a lot of drawings on this chart. But yeah, I need to probably get rid of some of these drawings right now. But anyways, yeah, BNB is dumping. It's not so stable at the moment for some reason. but typically it is the more stable of the three. So, you know, if you're looking to pick up some BNB, this is probably, you know, almost time to start thinking about, you know, picking up a little bit more if you want some. I might wait, you know, if personally I was going to buy, I'd probably wait to see if it hit this trend line. But yeah, and if it breaks this trend line, yeah, probably, you know, about 540 is coming. So, but I hope not, guys. We'll see if it gets a bounce here. But yeah, the important mark for BNB is really breaking this, you know, 603 mark. So anyways, that's it. And I'll talk to you guys later. Give it a like, you know, and thanks a lot, guys.